Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here with businesswithtrading.com doing a trading strategy recap for the 12th of February, Thursday. And today was another great day in the markets. Today we had 3 trades and ended up with 4 3/4 points. Our first trade was a short here. We were able to take some profit. We did get short again, which we got ran over. And price came up, chopped around a little bit, and we were long over here. And actually, I guess we got long up here. And as price comes up, we were able to take profit down here. It is what it is. But we ended up with 4 3/4 points. That's not bad on a day that is a little bit ugly. You had a big move here, some chop, chop, chop. You had another move up. It was pretty much a choppy day. It was an ugly day. The market's been building something. It's definitely been a little bit odd to trade, to say the least. But sometimes markets do that. You really have to have a certain style, a certain way that you trade, and that's what you have to do. You gotta have your plan, have your trade, and be able to make it happen. In the post that I'm going to put in, I have a couple trades that I highlight. I highlight one of my students' trades, and it just turned out to be really good. It ended up being a 14.25 times his initial risk. Which is phenomenal. When you start making trades like that, those trades really do develop your P&L on a scale that no other type of trading really can. That trade lasted about 3 weeks. And to be able to make something like that in 3 weeks, it's just phenomenal. I show a trade out. I was able to make 7 times my risk in a few hours. But those trades don't happen all the time. Those trades are kind of rare. They don't happen that much. But when you see them, you can jump on them. That trade I didn't really see until it got closer. So I wasn't able to highlight that in the swing trade group. But it did turn out really nicely. So I wanted to show it, just to show a couple different things. You can make money day trading. You can make money swing trading. You can make money doing pretty much anything. I'm a big believer, if you can trade one market, you can trade any market. Because I teach people how to actually read price and how to know where things are going. I see a lot of different stuff out there, different signals, how to read, 3 crow dropping patterns, and whatever that's out there. I don't know. Maybe I made that up. But different candle patterns and stuff like that, and it's just really old school. Or how to read moving averages. It's just very old school, and the market is dynamic. The market is definitely changing. The market's different than it was 20 years ago. It's different than it was 10 years ago, but it's always changing. So to say that it's different now than it was, so you need to learn this, or it's different now than it was, so you need to learn that. No, the strategies I teach work 20 years ago. They work 30 years ago. They work 100 years ago. But it's the way that you use the strategies that really, make your P&L grow. It's what made my student's trade turn into a 14.25 times his risk. And the risk was very negligible. I think it was a couple $100 or something like that per contract. So it was very negligible risk. And, the trade just turned into a massive winner. And it's using simple strategies, but using them in a way that you can look at a chart and know right away if it's a good one or not. Is this a good chart? Is this not a good chart? So that's really what I do. That's the whole crux of what I do. And it irritates me, when I talk about I trade price action, but I trade it in a way that really shows you what's going on. Using moving averages and MACDs and candle patterns and some kind of oscillator I've never heard of before. Using all that crap just really messes with your charts, and it really just doesn't. It's not beneficial at all. So anyway, I wanted to talk about that a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit in the blog post. Keep the comments coming. If you have any questions or comments or anything, if you are thinking about joining, you're not sure, give me a call. That's what I'm here for. That's what my phone line is for. If you call me at midnight, it's going to go to voicemail, but I'll call you back in the morning. That something like that. But don't. If you have a question, if you have a desire, anything like that, don't hesitate to reach out to me. With that, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.